In this video, we will show you how to restore a deleted section in Materials. To begin, I'm going to delete a section so we can see the full process. I will head over this section here, click the three dots, select Delete, and confirm by clicking Delete. This removes the section and the pages inside it. To restore a deleted section, you will first need to restore the individual pages one by one. To do this, I will click the three dots next to the Materials heading and select Restore Deleted Pages. On the left-hand side, I can see a list of all deleted pages. I will select the first page, click Restore Page, and you will see it reappears. Here, I will repeat the same step for the second page and restore it as well. Now that the pages have been restored, I need to recreate the section. I will click on the three dots again, choose Create Section, and give it the same title as the deleted section. If the section is hidden, I will unhide it. Finally, I will drag and drop the restored pages into the new section. And that's it. The section is restored and the pages are back in place.